Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Gorilla Tag copy. Now, before we get started in this tutorial, all you want to do is you want to join my Discord down below, which will link be in the description, and then you should end up in my Discord server. Don't mind that tab. And then you could just click projects, and then there should be how to make a gtag copy, and then there should be a mountain beta project you just want to install. I already have mine installed, so I don't really need to do that, but yeah. So once you have yours installed, all you're going to do is you're going to want to go over and you're going to want to look up PlayFab, and then you click sign in or whatever. Okay, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. So I'm just going to quickly sign in real quick before I do anything. So yeah, give me one quick second. I'm going to quickly sign in. I'm going to sign into my accounts, but I'll see you guys when I'm done signing in. Alright, I just signed in, and now what you want to do is you want to click New Studio, and then you want to make a new studio name. I'm going to quickly make mine, let me say, I'm going to make mine just taggers. Actually, no, mine's going to be tutorial. No, mine's going to be blitz. Like that. And then you want to go ahead and you're going to find your game. It might say my game right here. I'm going to teach you guys how to fix that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And then you're going to click this little setting icon right here. And then you're going to click edit title info. And then you're going to change it to whatever it is. Mine just bullet. If you write what your name is, it should be at the top right here. So you can just control C. And then you can paste it in just like this. And then you can choose a file or add an image, game logo, or you can add a website. I'm not going to do that though. And you want to click this blue button, say title. Now you should be like back to like your main page where you see all your PlayFab games. You just want to click on yours right here, and then you're gonna go to economy, and then you're gonna go to catalog legacy, and then you're gonna click currency legacy. You're gonna do new currency, and you're gonna name it SR Shiny Rock, just like that. And then you're going to change individual deposits, how much they start with, to whatever you want. I'm gonna do 4,500. This one is gonna be how much they get every day. So I'm just gonna usually do mine to 900. And this one's gonna be 9 to the power of 9. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just how I spelled it. And you're gonna click save currency. Okay, so there should be 9 only. There shouldn't be 10, just 9. I misspelled one, but yeah. And you're gonna click catalog legacy, upload JSON, choose file. And then you're going to choose everyday update, which will be my Discord server. So if you head over my Discord server, you scroll down to stuff, there will be every DLC right here. You could just download that and you can paste it in. Or you could upload JSON and choose a file and choose it. And then you want to go over to your settings down at the bottom. You're going to click API features. You're going to scroll down. You're going to disable these four right here. And you're going to enable these three right here under enable API features. Click save. You're going to click automation, revisions legacy, and then you're going to do control A, delete that. And then over my Discord server, again, there will be a revision inside stuff. You want to click on revision, and you want to copy all of this. And then you want to paste it right here. And then you could just click save as a revision 2, deploy this revision after save, track that on, and then save and deploy. Now you want to go over to your Photon, and now you want to create a new app. And then you can make real time, and then make sure click on this like box right here, and then change it to real time. So click on it, and then go down to real time. Click on it, real time, and then you can do whatever you guys want. For name, I'm gonna do Blitz again. And then what you can do is you can click create now, and then you can create a new app again, and then you can make this voice instead of real time. So if it's real time, you want to make a voice, and then you want to do. I'm just gonna do the same name, Blitz, and I'm gonna add a little. To keep it organized, I'm gonna add a little voice at the end, and you can click create. Now back in your PlayFab, you want to go to add-ons, scroll down to Photon, and then you want to click how to set up Photon in someone's PlayFab. and you want to copy this link right here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna click copy this real quick. Alright, now that you've done that, you can just close out this, and then you're gonna see this. You're gonna see brackets, place tab, title ID. You just want to delete that, and then you want to go over to your place tab, and you want to copy 5 like letter IDs up here, right here. You're gonna like copy that, and you're gonna paste it right here. Now you want to copy the whole thing, and then you are gonna want to go to your photon, manage on your voice, scroll down. Voice is yellow, so you want to delete this. Replace it with your new one, and you're gonna click save. And then you're gonna go to the dashboard at the top, and then you're gonna click your real time now, manage on your real time, and you're gonna click custom server. And then you're gonna want to go ahead and you're gonna want to click that. You're gonna replace it with your new one, like that. And you're gonna go back to the dashboard real quick. And then you're gonna want to copy your real time app ID right here, and you're going to paste it right here. And you're gonna do the same thing with your voice. Copy your voice app ID, and you're gonna paste it where your chat app ID is. And you're gonna click install photon. Now that we've done that, what you're gonna do is you want to extract it. I already have mine in here, but if you want to extract it, you want to go downloads, and then you're going to find this, and then or you're going to find the WinRAR, and you want to click right click on it, WinRAR, and then extract to mountain beta project. I already have mine right there, and then you want to click add project from disk, and you're gonna click where is it now? Mountain beta, and then this one right here, and click open. I already have mine, so I'm just gonna open mine up right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys when this is done opening. Alright, now that you're in your project, you might be thinking that you're clicking WFC, but you're not moving. What you want to do is you want to hold down right click, and then you will see this little icon. You can turn around the screen and you can use WFC to move. To change up your speed, if it's like down here, you're going to use your scroll wheel, and you can go how fast you want it to be. And if your field of view is a little bit weird, what you want to do is you want to click this little camera icon at the top, and you can just change it like right here. And you should do that. And then you want to turn on off this, and then you want to turn off that. Now your gorilla might be up here in mine. I move mine down, but to do this, you want to go offline VR rig, and then you can move it down like this. This is green arrows. Now, we're not done yet on setting this up because it's not actually your servers. But now, what you want to do now is you want to go over to your PlayFab Authenticator, and then you want to click on this, and then you want to click this edit script. Go back to your PlayFab, and you want to copy this like 5-letter IDs, and then you want to paste it here, and you also want to paste it here as well. And then you want to do the same thing with root time app ID. You want to copy it, and then you want to paste it here. Copy it again. Your chat ID. Oopsies. Chat ID. And then you want to paste it here for your voices. And then you can click save, and then you can turn this off. And wait till this fully functions, and then wait till this loads perfectly. Now, if you click play and your gorilla goes invisible, to fix that, all you want to do is you want to click on Photon Manager, change the name, you want to add an extra, you want to add an extra N in Photon, and then you want to add an extra R in Manager, just like that. That will fix that. And if you want to give yourself cosmetics, all you want to do is you want to go over to your thing, go over to players. I'm gonna quickly get mine out of here real quick so I can see my player. Because if you click search right now, it will say 0 players. But yeah, for me, I did this project already, so that will say something. But for you guys, it will say 0 players. So you want to drop down player, girl player, and then you can be able to move your little guy out of stump. Oopsies. Oh, okay. There should be working. Mine's not working though. But if you want to give yourself cosmetics, all you want to do is click this. Click this little button right here on your name, inventory legacy, and then you could just grant yourself an item. So you could basically do like basic beanie, and you could grant. And then if you go out of play mode again, go to scene. Now you should have the basic beanie, and it should be on your character. Now you can take it off and do whatever you guys want. You should have update. I'm gonna quickly check city, make sure everything's working. Yep, as you guys see, everything's working. But yeah, that's pretty much how you make it a girl tag copy. You can just turn it off, and turn it on. But I hope you make successful in your Gorilla Tag hobby. I hope it comes out really good, and I hope people play it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I want you to like, I don't care if you do it, but like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys. Have a good day or night, wherever you live at.